Hello, and welcome to the training courses on how to use the taskbar in Windows 11. My name is Kyrie. I represent the company ITK4A, which stands for IT Knowledge for All, and I will be your digital guide through these training courses. All information, recorded videos, and training materials come from real-life situations, scenarios, and in the IT world. This training course was created by the IT professional David Simpson. With more than 10 years of IT experience, David has put together a training session that will expand your IT knowledge and prepare you for the IT world. Hopefully, you will find the training videos and information beneficial in furthering your IT career. So, without further ado, let's get started. In today's video, we will be talking about the Windows taskbar. We will be going into details about the various options that are provided. Here is a short descriptive breakdown of the taskbar. The Windows taskbar is a key user interface element located typically at the bottom of the screen. It provides quick access to the Start menu, pinned and running applications, system notifications, and the system clock. Users can customize the taskbar by pinning frequently used apps, accessing the notification area, system tray, and managing open windows through taskbar buttons. It also supports features like jump lists, toolbars, and virtual desktops, enhancing productivity and navigation within the Windows operating system. Now that you have a good idea of what the taskbar can do and provide, let's get started.